vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. Just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another hair review. You guys have saw me wear this type of wig, this type of unit so many times. I love to get my bob wigs from Myfirstwig. I wear them all the time. This is like my signature look now. This cute little effortless bob wig. And I've been wearing the one that I had. I've been wearing that thing to the ground. Let me show y'all. I've been wearing this to the ground. This is my like go-to unit. I really love it. And it's from Myfirstwig too. I need to wash it. It was just time for a new one. I can tell it was time for a new one because I had this like for like, I got like 3 of them, okay? So I kind of alter in between, but it's the same type of unit. I love these units. I dyed them a jet black. These are my go-to units. Like when I want to look classy, sophisticated, chic, and I don't want to look like I'm doing too much. I kind of want to just be chill, but I want to look pulled together. This is my go-to unit, and like I said, it's from Myfirstwig. Let me show you the box that it come in. Unit is gonna come with this box that says Myfirstwig. Myfirstwig is a unit that you don't have to pluck. You don't have to think too much of it. Your lace is gonna look flawless, and I really like working with this brand. I really want to start getting more wigs from them because this is like the wig that I normally get. It's kind of like a Yaki texture, and it's a bob unit. And like I said, I dye it a jet black, but I don't do anything with the lace. I leave it the way. I haven't plucked it. I haven't did anything, and it's just my go-to. So inside of your Myfirstwig, you're gonna get this little bag that comes with a comb and a clip, an edge control tamer, and they also put this little shampoo brush thing. And you're also gonna get a bag and also a headband to tie your lace down. But when I tell you this unit is so easy to apply, that's why they call it Myfirstwig, because it's for beginners, okay? All I did, like I said, is I put it on a mannequin, I dyed it, I put it on a mannequin head, and I just moosed it back just so I can get some type of control. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit of the ear tabs off. It's almost perfect on my hairline, but yeah, I'm gonna just cut the ear tabs off, and we're gonna go ahead and glue this on, you guys. I'm not gonna talk too much with this unit because it's really self-explanatory. I'm gonna be using my 𝐍𝐄𝐖 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐰𝐬𝐭𝐫𝐢𝐧𝑠 adhesive and also my lace bun spray. I'm gonna do 2 layers of each because I am going out of town this weekend, and I do need this unit to last me for like a week and look flawless. So I'm gonna use at least 2 to 3 layers of glue. Yeah, so like I said, I'm just going to show you guys. And then the thing about this unit, what I love so much about it is that although I wear this unit pushed back, this does not have to be pushed back. I'm just a push back off my face type of girl. But let me show y'all. The part is so long and it's so nice. So you don't have to wear your unit pushed back. The part go all the way back. You also can do a nice side part as well for the girls who like a nice side part. I'll show you guys once we go ahead and glue the unit down, but a side part will look beautiful as well. It's just everything. This is my go-to unit. I'll never stop wearing this unit because it's just so sophisticated, and I love the way it makes me just look grown and chic and effortless and like I'm not trying too hard. And it's just low maintenance, and I need low maintenance units. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part, enjoy the jazz music, and we're gonna go ahead and apply this unit. Now that we have the ear tabs cut, you know, you want to make sure that it goes behind the ear very seamlessly and everything like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean my forehead off. You can use a makeup remover wipe. You just need to clean the forehead off, y'all. We don't want any makeup right here where we're gonna apply the wig at, okay? So I'm gonna be using my 𝐍𝐄𝐖 glue. It looks terrible, okay? But this glue is so expensive, like so expensive. I think 2 bottles of this glue is like, I don't know. This is so expensive. If you ever look up her stuff, it's expensive, but it really, really works. I wish it was more affordable, but it really, really, really works. So, yeah. It's like $89 for this size. So, girl, I'm going to use every drop of it, okay? It lasts me for a long time. I got this at the top of the year, and I'm still just on bottle number 1. So, yeah. I see some extra old glue here, so I want to just clean that off because I don't want any old glue. I want my install to look very neat. Yeah, we're gonna do 2 layers of this. We're gonna lay it as thin as possible. I think I'm gonna do 3 layers today, and we're gonna let it dry, almost completely dry. You're gonna let this dry until it's almost completely dry. That is like a new technique that I have been learning from my friend who is a hairstylist. She let her glue, her Erica J glue, dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. So it's almost completely dry. Like, it's pretty much completely dry. And then you apply your wig because it makes it last a lot longer. So we're gonna do that. Look at that. That looks so good. Then we're gonna just cut the lace off. I feel like this side I could have came up a little bit more, but it's okay. Do step by step. Y'all, if y'all see my forehead and it looks kind of weird, girl, just know I was experimenting and I was shaving my face dry. And when I tell you it scraped up my face, scratched up my face so bad. So don't do that. Do not. I got a whole bunch of fresh eyebrow archers. So I'm just gonna cut this to what I want to cut it. Yeah, like that. It looks really, really good. Yes, a lace. That looks so good. And mind you, I haven't plucked it. I will be plucking it a little bit. So, not much, but just so it can fit my hairline. Everybody's hairline is different. And with my hairline, I like it to look a little bit more thinner in the temple area. But that's like to each his own type of situation. Look how easy that was. Look how easy that was. When I tell you, so good. Customize it a little bit around the hairline, but not too much. Just to make it fit my hairline, my natural hairline. Okay, you guys, so I just went and did a little bit of baby hair. What I normally do, just like 2 scoops. This baby hair is kind of taking me through it over here, but that's okay. It'll get better as the days get, you know, the more I wear it, it'll kind of like shape out. But here is the unit here. It was super easy to put on. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all how it looks as a side part, because I always wear it pushed back. So you could definitely wear it as a side part. And this is like a Yaki texture. So you could definitely wear it as like the side part type of situation. That'd be so cute. If you like a bob like that. Oh my gosh, I didn't have to cut this bob. I didn't have to do anything. And then you could just open up your part a little bit more if you want to. But look how classy this little bob is. It's so cute. So freaking adorable. You can also wear a part in the middle. So you can wear this size. You can wear this style, which is really cute. You can also bring it towards the face a little bit more. If you like more of a like a scoopy, like a more of a real side part, you could definitely bring it up like this. This is really cute and classy. Very cute. Tuck it behind the ear, just showing you guys different ways you can wear it. The cut is nice. I'll just bump it. If I was to wear it this way, I'll just bump it, just so it can, like, you know, you have to bump it to the style you want it to be. Just take the flat iron and bump it. But look, this is cute. Alright, so then you could wear it. Let's do a middle part. This all look like different hairstyles. Middle part action. Let me know down below, which style do you prefer? Do you prefer a side part, a middle part, a pushback? What do you prefer? And who don't love a wig that you can wear in so many different styles? Like, this is gonna give, each time gonna give different looks. I'm not like styling it properly, y'all, because if, you know, I was styling in the middle part, I'll definitely make sure that everything is nice and flat. But I just wanted to show you that you could style it in a nice, cute, bust down middle part. Really nice. It's just not neat right now. And I don't want to like. And then you'll just open up your part with a little bit of concealer. Vibes. Then you can do it like a middle part that's less on your face. If you like hair on your face, you could do a middle part like that. But me, ooh, girl, I'm gonna just do my little normal pushback, because that's just what I like. This is me. Alright. This is my go-to style. But as you guys can see, you can wear it any way you want. So make sure you guys check out Myfirstwig if you want this bob. Hopefully they're having a sale. I'm not sure, but I think they are. But this bob is super affordable. Like I said, you can wear it in so many different ways. Bust down middle part. I'm sorry, y'all. My eye is kind of like irritated by this lash a little bit. But yeah, you could do a bust down. And there's so many lights in my face. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, I'm using my little light from TJ Maxx that's on my mirror. And, whew, it's bright. So yeah, you can wear it like this, how I wear it. I haven't bumped it yet. I only bumped it like when I dyed it and blow dried it. But when I do wear this unit, I'll definitely bump it a little bit more because I like a little volume. A little volume. I don't like it like slick. I like it slick back, but it don't have to be so flat to my head. Like this area here can be like just like a little volume, like a little mushroom. That's like my type of vibe. Like a little mushroom, but not too bulky. Just kind of like the perfect little bump. So yeah, that is my go-to hairstyle. It may look a little bit white around here because I still have to tie it up. I haven't tied it up and melded it yet. And this baby edge, I gotta get it like right. It's almost right, but I just feel like I could do it better. But you know how that goes. It still look really cute. So like this is good. I like this one. But yeah, once I tie it up and it melt a little bit more, it'll be perfect. So make sure you guys check out my first wig. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.